Okay, I'm gonna go back into the portfolio just a little bit. I felt like I got a little bit rushed at the end, and there's a couple important things I need to point out. When you go in and insert your portfolio, which I showed you, go to upload, insert, select all your images, and then it'll insert this camera and image and box here. If you click on that and then go back into the panel, it's really important that you go to here and click image file and not attachment page. I got an error when I think I showed it in the last video, but when I went to click on the thumbnail and the portfolio page, it took you to a page with an error. So it's real important that as a final step of putting your portfolio up on your page, that you click on image file here so that it'll show it in what we call a light box. This actually shows a different, you can change the number of columns that you have of your thumbnails, which will change the size of your thumbnails. So you can play around with that stuff too and see what you get. So once you're done, you want to update the gallery settings. Click that. Now you can also go into each of these and change sizes. Some of this stuff doesn't matter. Some of it isn't going to apply. But the one thing that may apply is if you want to hover over the image and you don't want to see this sort of file name looking text, you can put in something, like that, and then that way when people hover over it with their cursor, it'll show them the name. So you could actually put a little blurb, a brief blurb about what's going on in the image, like full depth replacement patch, like if you're hovering over a pothole and that sort of thing. So anyhow, that's something you can do to kind of spruce things up a little bit more. But otherwise, you update the gallery settings. Showed you how to put in that feature image. Whoops, I just deleted that out. Let me show this one more time too, because the bottom of this was getting cut off in the last video. Let's wait for this to appear. Okay, so if you recall, you need to select an image, put it in there. It's going to upload it. It's going to give you all these options, most of which you will not need. And then you want to make sure that you put use as featured image. When you do that, watch this. See how it puts it behind there? Hit save the changes. Close this out. And then you have your featured image, your portfolio, your blurb, and then you're good to go. So let's update this. And then let's view it. So you got your featured image in the background. You've got your text. And then you got your portfolio. So see, now that we went and changed that one setting, now you get it as a light box, what we call a light box. And so you click through. Nice, big, beautiful pictures. Internet's a little slow, but that's all we need to do anyway, so we'll get out of there. And then that's that. You've created a portfolio. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, give me a call, and I'd be happy to go over anything that you need with you.